The current global energy market sets a competitive scenario. An enhancement in assets productivity becomes imperative. In order to improve production and reduce the cost of an engineering project, it is important to understand the workflow and model the different components and situations so that better decisions can be made. IFM Solutions offers online tutorials focusing on specific tools that are used in the oil and gas industry, such as Prosper, MBAL, GAP, Sahara, among others that help identify optimization opportunities, diminish costs, and identify best practices. John Smith is an engineer who works in a gas field. He would like to reduce pressure in 4 field manifolds using compression. He wants to reduce the manifold pressure from 200 psig to 50 psig in order to increase production of the wells. Compressor's investment is estimated to be $40 million. Now John knows how to improve production and decrease costs because he has taken the online course on how to model a compression scenario in GAP. John was able to model the situation in GAP with the tutorial's help. He also identified that the low-pressure compression would not increase production as he had expected. With the GAP model, he was able to detect that some pipelines were acting as bottlenecks in the system, which caused a high pressure drop. The wellhead pressure did not show the compression impact. The model helped him estimate the production gains by means of eliminating bottlenecks with an investment which was significantly lower than mounting compressors. Engineer Barbara Anderson's goal was to reduce costs in a field which was operated by electrical submersible pumps. After studying several Prosper tutorials, she realized that she could improve the pump's design. The engineer realized that it was possible to keep the current production with electrical submersible pumps with a fewer number of stages. Also, the pumps would consume less power. A smaller electric motor could be installed. The design was validated by the service companies modifying the previous standard design for the field. The field operating conditions are continuously changing, and the new designs must be adapted in order to make the pumps more efficient. Peter Brown, a production manager, urgently needs to drill 6 additional wells in his Patagonian field in order to meet the contractual gas demand. The IPM Gas course, e-learning, helped his engineering team to understand how to assess the existing wells' performances in the field through models, understand the surface network behavior, and the reservoir pressure evolution. His engineering team realized that the wells were restricted by the pressure drop in the downhole equipment, also known as VLP constrained. Using Prosper, they evaluated the performance that the wells could have if the wells were producing through both the tubing and the annular space, increasing the flow area. The team identified the opportunity of highly increasing the production of 8 existing wells in the field with a minor rig intervention. When it comes to lowering costs, do not run any risks. Use safe models. Invest in knowledge. The IFM Solutions e-learning tutorial system provides knowledge, practice, and experience to optimize your field and reduce costs. Are you doing everything you can in order to improve your field's productivity? You can start taking the IFM Solutions courses right now. The IFM Solutions courses are online, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Cost reduction is at one click's distance. For a free trial, you can go to www.ifm-solutions.com.